RadioLink RC8X comes with the R8FG receiver. They are bound at the factory, so there is no need to rebind them. If you want to band additional receivers to RC8X, check this banding tutorial. There are 2 steps for banding. 1. Select receiver protocol. 2. Band. First, enter basic menu. Receiver setting. And select corresponding protocol. There are FHSS V1 and V2 protocols. What is their difference? PWM output resolution of FHSS V1 is 2048, and the resolution of V2 is 4096. V2 can achieve a more precise operation. Click Receiver List here to check whether the receiver belongs to V1 or V2 protocol. V1 receiver list includes receivers such as R8FG V1.0, R7FG, R6FG, and so on. V2 receiver list only includes R8FG V2.0. If you are banding R8FG to RC8X, check what variant is your R8FG. R8FG V1.0 with production date before February 6, 2023 supports FHSS V1 protocol, not V2. R8FG V2.0 with production date on or after February 6, 2023 supports both V1 and V2 protocol. If protocol of R8FG is selected incorrectly, some functions will not work properly. If you are banding R7FG, R6FG, or any other model receivers to RC8X, select FHSS V1. If the protocol of these receivers is selected incorrectly, banding will fail. And I will show the banding of R8FG V2.0 to RC8X. So I select V2. Now band them. 1. Power on both the transmitter and the receiver. RC8X is already powered on, so I power on the receiver. I power it on with a 2S LiPo battery. Make sure the polarity is not reversed. And the flashing LED of the receiver indicates there is no banding between the transmitter and receiver. And we can see there is no signal tower on the screen of the transmitter. And 2. Keep a distance of about 60 centimeters between the transmitter and receiver. Please note, too close distance between the may cause signal block, which leads to unsuccessful banding or signal loss. 3. Here is a tiny black button on the side of the receiver. It is banding button. Press and hold it until the LED flashes fast. Four. The LED goes solid. The solid light of the receiver indicates the banding is complete. And the signal tower on the screen of the transmitter shows that banding is successful. If banding fails, the LED of the receiver will keep flashing slowly. Repeat the banding steps. So that's all. Thank you.